Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of architecture and exploring a stunning residential design that's making waves in the design community. I'm talking about the Bondi House, a masterpiece by Nick Kent Design. This house is not just a building, it's a testament to innovative design, sustainable practices, and a unique blend of technology and materials. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this project so special and how it's pushing the boundaries of modern architecture. First things first, the Bondi House is located in Sydney, Australia, a city known for its stunning natural landscapes and vibrant culture. But what makes this house truly stand out is its design philosophy. Nick Kent Design has created a space that seamlessly blends with its surroundings while incorporating cutting-edge technology and sustainable materials. This is a perfect example of how architecture can enhance our connection with nature and the environment. One of the most striking features of the Bondi House is its use of steel. Steel is a material that's often associated with industrial design, but here it's used in a way that feels both modern and organic. The architects have managed to create a sense of fluidity and movement with the steel, making it feel almost like a natural element. This is a testament to the skill and creativity of the design team. But what really makes the Bondi House special is its focus on sustainability. The architects have incorporated a range of eco-friendly practices into the design, from the use of renewable materials to energy-efficient systems. This is a project that's not just beautiful but also responsible, which is a refreshing change in the world of architecture. In my opinion, this is a project that's setting a new standard for sustainable design. Another interesting aspect of the Bondi House is its use of technology. The architects have integrated smart home features into the design, making it a truly futuristic space. From automated systems to advanced security measures, this house is a showcase of what's possible when technology and design come together. What many people don't realize is that this project is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a living space that's both comfortable and cutting edge. What makes this project even more fascinating is the way it challenges our traditional notions of architecture. The Bondi House is a perfect example of how design can transcend boundaries and create something truly unique. It's a project that's not just about building a house, it's about creating a space that inspires and captivates. From my perspective, this is a project that's pushing the limits of what's possible in architecture. In conclusion, the Bondi House by Nick Kent Design is a project that's truly ahead of its time. It's a space that seamlessly blends beauty, sustainability, and technology, creating a living environment that's both comfortable and cutting edge. So, if you're a fan of architecture or just looking for inspiration, I highly recommend checking out this project. It's a testament to the power of design and a reminder that architecture can be both beautiful and responsible. What do you think about the Bondi House? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more architecture and design content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming big.